What's up, YouTube? Headed to work right now and figured I'd do a quick video, listen to a little Rick and Bubba. Got a break in the radio and figured I'd tell you what we've got coming on this video right now. So I went hunting this weekend out at Blue Springs management area down here in South Alabama, and it was dog hunting. So they have a couple of dog hunting weekends where you can go out there and dog hunt. The first day was on fire, and second day not so much. Saturday we didn't do too good, but the first day on Friday our group straight smoked them, and I didn't, but the group I was hunting with did really good. I got close several times, but the footage is just, you know, just looking at woods, hearing a dog bark. So I'm not gonna show all that because I didn't kill anything. But this one hunt, I got really, really close, and you can see the whole thing. You can hear the dogs trail, you can hear the dogs jump, and then you see the deer come right at us. So it near about ran over me, and it's just a little doe. I couldn't shoot it. Out here it's got to be bucks only. It's got to be 3 points on one side or better, and it looks like I'm gonna shoot, but I just wanted to make sure my Tacticam was getting good footage of the deer while it was coming. So seriously, I could have reached out and kicked this deer. That's how close it came. About ran me over. So I hope you enjoy this hunt. Even though we don't get any meat on the ground, it's still an awesome hunt. So check it out. Just after lunch, we done had several drives. It was on fire this morning, but I was out of action. We're gonna try this spot right here. Grab the gun. We're gonna turn loose in between the loop road and headquarter camp road. Or shut my door. And we're gonna walk off in this backside over here. It looks like a little opening on the backside of two big old fields. They're gonna turn the dogs loose over there. If they jump, we ought to be in some pretty good area. So we're gonna try to get right down to the bottom down here. See what we can do. A yearling just crossed prickly pear.